Hey everybody, I just want to say a quick hello and introduce myself. I am Miss Thomas. I teach day school at North Forsyth Middle School where I teach accelerated algebra, advanced math, and a support math. I am married to Bruce and we have three boys. Jude, he's 12, Zeke is 17, and Drew is almost 25. This will be my 18th year of teaching and I absolutely love it. The next thing I want to talk about is the course itself. This is a high school credit course, and as of today, we will still have the state end of course test in April, and this counts for 20% of your grade, so just keep that in mind. You will come in face-to-face to take this test. The other thing I want to talk about is this is a very rigorous and challenging course, and so you need to make sure that you keep up with your assignments and try to visit our live sessions that we have on Wednesday. For the recovery policy, since it is a high school credit, you can replace one test grade this semester, and we will use the midterm to replace that grade, and it can be replaced up to an 80. So let's say you make a 70 on a test, and then you do really well in the midterm, say you make a 90, I will change your 70 into an 80. Okay, the other things that we have is I want to just talk about the attendance and how we take attendance for the virtual learners. So I will take attendance on Friday, and if you have completed all your assignments through the week, then you will be counted present for each day. So make sure you're keeping up with your assignments, okay? Then I want to talk about some logistics of this course. So remember that each learning path is a lesson, and within each learning path, there are two things that I grade for formative. That's the handout submission, that's your practice work. And as long as you turn it in and it's completed, then you get a 100. Then at the end of each pathway is a quiz, and you get 2 attempts for that. And I take the best of those 2 attempts. Then we have our regular quizzes, and then we have our tests, and the tests are 80% of our grade. Now I want to talk about late work. If you have late work, so on our home page, you can see here is the late work form. You're going to need to fill this out. So if something is due on Wednesday and you didn't get finished with it till, say, Saturday, you still get credit for it, but you're going to have to fill out this Microsoft form late work. So I will update the gradebook. And I usually do that the following weekend. And another thing I want to talk about with logistics, when you send a message through It's Learning, since I teach 4 other courses, I need you to start your message with what course you're in. And if you just want to say FVA for Forsyth Virtual Academy, you can use just FVA. And then type your message. And if it's about a particular handout or homework quiz, be sure to be specific, and then sometimes taking a little quick picture and sending it will be helpful so I can respond as quickly as I can. And then every Wednesday at 5:30 is when we have our live sessions, and you can find the link over here in our sticky note under live Teams live session, but I will also always put it, so like let's look at Wednesday, so we can see here this coming Wednesday, I have the link here as well. Okay, so try to join those. And I know with our busy schedules, if you can't, I will always record these, and these recordings can be found over here in our sticky note under recorded meetings. So if you can't come, it's good to go back, but try to make it, because you can pipe in and ask your specific question, because I know sometimes, especially with this course, it being so rigorous and a lot of brand new content, doing virtual may be a little bit challenging in itself. I'm making sure I have everything that I wanted to share with you. And all the new folks, I just want to welcome you to our course. And just remember, I teach day school until 4:30 every day. I will try to look at messages in the daytime if I can, but usually it's in the evening when I can get to those. So I appreciate it, and we can do this as a team, and I look forward to continue to work with you. You guys have a great week.